You see, people in my position, we don't like wasting time. I hate wasting time. If I see something I like, could be a house, could be anything, I make an offer. They take it or leave it. Most of the time, they accept because I make offers that are difficult to refuse. I plan to make you an offer that I believe will be just that. And of course, everything in life is subjective. Whether you take the offer or not is absolutely your choice.
And all of this in exchange for?
I want you to leave your boyfriend.
Why?
I want you to leave him for me.
Mr. Banzi, you are an arrogant, selfish young man. Are you really serious? I mean, where are the cameras? Is this a prank? Is this really how you approach women?
In most cases, women approach me. And yes, this is how I approach women. I don't believe in wasting time with romantic lines or buying flowers or going on several dates. That's what broke men do. Broke men have no choice but to do that. I have a choice. My flowers are money. My romance is money. And hey, I'm not a bad-looking guy. I like to have fun, believe it or not. So, here I am.
Well, I'm sorry, but I'm going to be one of the few women that's going to say no to you. You see, I happen to love my boyfriend. And even if I were single, I don't think I'd like your personality. In layman's terms, I wouldn't date a man like you.
That boyfriend of yours, one day you probably cheat on you or mistreat you. Look down on you, you'll be heartbroken. To make it worse, you'll be heartbroken and broke.
Baby, when I think about the things you